Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Mate. It's me, Clara, and I'm so happy to see you today.
Hi, friends. I'm Arthur. How are you all doing at home?
I hope you're sitting somewhere comfy, maybe drinking tea or coffee, because today we'll learn English that you can use right where you are, at home.
That's right. Today's topic is English questions and answers at home.
Yay! So we'll learn easy, fun sentences you can say every day in your house.
Exactly! We'll talk about mornings, meals, chores, family, and everything between breakfast and bedtime.
Haha, that sounds like a whole day with English.
It is! Are you ready to speak with us?
Say it with me. Yes, I'm ready.
Nice! Let's begin with the morning.
Morning time. The sun is up. Everyone is sleepy. What's the first question people ask?
Easy! Did you sleep well?
Yes, we always say that in the morning. Repeat after me. Did you sleep well?
One more time slowly. Did you sleep well?
Now the answers. Yes, I slept well, thank you. Or, no, not really, I was too hot.
Let's practice together. Say, yes, I slept well, thank you.
Now say, no, not really, I was too hot.
Good job. Next question. What time did you wake up?
I usually wake up late on weekends. I say, I woke up at 9 o'clock.
And I say, I woke up early at 6.
Wow, an early bird.
I try, but sometimes I fall asleep again on the sofa.
That's so real. Everyone, repeat. What time did you wake up?
Your turn. I woke up at... Good.
Okay, next question. Are you hungry?
Perfect breakfast question. Answer, yes, I'm hungry. Or, no, not yet.
Say it with us. Yes, I'm hungry.
No, not yet.
Great. Now we move to the kitchen. Imagine the smell of toast and tea.
And coffee. The first question there is, what do you want for breakfast?
I say, I want bread and jam.
And I say, I want eggs and tea.
Repeat after us. What do you want for breakfast?
I want bread and jam.
I want eggs and tea.
Nice. Another one. Is the tea ready?
Answer. Yes, it's ready, or no, not yet.
Is the milk cold?
No, it's warm.
Where is the sugar?
It's on the table.
Who will wash the dishes?
Not me.
The most honest answer ever.
Repeat these lines quickly with us.
Is the tea ready?
Yes, it's ready.
Where is the sugar?
It's on the table.
Who will wash the dishes?
Not me.
Perfect. Now, after breakfast, we usually clean the house.
Yes, cleaning time. Here's one. Have you made your bed?
Answer, yes, I have, or no, not yet.
Repeat. Have you made your bed?
Yes, I have.
No, not yet.
Next one. Can you sweep the floor?
Sure, I can.
Can you wash the dishes?
Yes, I can wash the dishes.
Can you clean the table?
Yes, I can clean the table.
Can you water the plants?
Yes, I can water the plants.
Repeat them one more time quickly. Can you sweep the floor?
Yes, I can.
Can you water the plants?
Yes, I can.
Great. You can use these every day at home.
Let's make a little role play.
Okay. I'll be the mom, you be the son.
Ready.
Arthur, have you cleaned your room?
Not yet, Mom.
Please do it now.
Okay, Mom, I'll clean it right away.
Haha, real life.
Yes. Friends, your turn. Say it like us. Have you cleaned your room?
Not yet, Mom.
Please do it now.
Okay, Mom.
Perfect. English at home made easy.
Now let's move to the living room.
My favorite room, the sofa zone.
Question 1. Where is the remote?
The number one home question.
Answer, it's on the sofa, or I don't know.
Repeat. Where is the remote?
It's on the sofa.
I don't know.
What are you watching?
I'm watching a movie.
Can I watch with you?
Sure, sit down.
Turn up the volume, please.
Okay, here you go.
Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Tom Hanks.
Let's practice. What are you watching?
I'm watching a movie.
Can I watch with you?
Sure, sit down.
Time for a quick quiz. I'll ask, you answer. Ready?
Let's do it.
Where is the remote?
It's on the sofa.
What are you watching?
I'm watching a movie.
Awesome. You sound natural already.
Okay, bathroom time.
Yes, real-life English even there.
Are you taking a shower?
Yes, I am.
How long will you take?
Just 10 minutes.
Is there any towel left?
Yes, on the shelf.
Where's the toothpaste?
It's in the drawer.
Repeat with us. Are you taking a shower?
Yes, I am.
Where's the toothpaste?
It's in the drawer.
Great. Now, bedroom talk.
Is your bed clean?
Yes, I changed the sheets.
Where are my socks?
They're under the bed.
Have you folded your clothes?
Yes, I have.
Who opened the window?
I did, for fresh air.
Let's repeat. Is your bed clean?
Yes, I changed the sheets.
Where are my socks?
They're under the bed.
Excellent. Next, dining room.
Is dinner ready?
Almost.
What's for dinner?
Rice and chicken.
Can you set the table?
Yes, I can.
Can you pass the salt?
Here you go.
Repeat. Is dinner ready?
Almost.
What's for dinner?
Rice and chicken.
Can you pass the salt?
Here you go.
Perfect. After dinner, we relax.
Do you want some tea?
Yes, please.
Do you want some fruit?
No, thank you. I'm full.
Who will wash the dishes?
You, Arthur.
I knew it. Every time I hear that question, I know I'm in trouble.
Haha, well, that's part of home life. Now, let's move to some family talk, the warm, lovely part of the day.
Yes, questions we ask to our family members.
Where is Dad?
He's in the garden.
Where is Mom?
She's in the kitchen.
Where is Grandma?
She's watching TV.
Where is Grandpa?
He's sleeping.
Where is your sister?
She's doing her homework.
Great. Everyone repeat after us. Where is Dad? He's in the garden. Where is Mom? She's in the kitchen.
Nice. Now some everyday family talk. How was your day?
It was good, thank you.
Did you have lunch?
Yes, I did.
Are you tired?
A little bit.
Do you want to rest?
Yes, I'll take a short nap.
Do you have any homework?
No, I've finished it.
Great job.
These are such useful sentences. Repeat after us. How was your day? It was good. Are you tired? A little bit. Do you want to rest? Yes, I'll take a short nap.
Beautiful. Now let's move to a different part of the house. The balcony.
I love the balcony. Fresh air and a nice view.
Let's learn some balcony English. Is it hot outside?
No, it's cool.
Can you see the street?
Yes, I can.
Is it raining?
Just a little.
Do you hear the birds?
Yes, they're singing.
Can you water the plants?
Sure, I'll do it.
Let's repeat. Is it hot outside? No, it's cool. Do you hear the birds? Yes, they're singing.
Great. Now back inside the house. Let's talk about study time.
Are you studying?
Yes, I am.
What are you studying?
I'm studying English.
Do you like studying?
Yes, I do.
Can you help me with homework?
Sure, I can help.
When will you finish studying?
At 8 o'clock?
Perfect. Repeat after us. Are you studying? Yes, I am. What are you studying? I'm studying English.
Wonderful. Now let's go to the laundry area.
Oh yes, time for some washing talk.
Is the washing machine on?
Yes, it's running.
Whose clothes are these?
They're mine.
Where's the detergent?
It's on the shelf.
Can you fold the clothes?
Yes, I can.
Are the clothes dry?
Not yet.
Let's repeat together. Is the washing machine on? Yes, it's running. Can you fold the clothes? Yes, I can.
Excellent. We're covering every corner of the house.
Now it's afternoon, maybe time to relax or take a nap.
Right. Let's do afternoon talk. Are you sleepy?
Yes, I am.
Do you want to take a nap?
Yes, I do.
How long will you sleep?
Just 30 minutes.
Do you want me to wake you up?
Yes, please.
Sleep well.
Thank you.
Repeat these lines. Are you sleepy? Yes, I am. Do you want to take a nap? Yes, I do. Sleep well. Thank you.
So cozy. Now, after a nap, let's imagine it's evening.
Ah, evening time. Lights on, everyone relaxing.
What are you cooking for dinner?
I'm cooking pasta.
Can I help you?
Sure, chop the vegetables.
Where's the frying pan?
It's in the cupboard.
Is the rice ready?
Almost.
Can you taste the soup?
It's delicious.
Repeat. What are you cooking? I'm cooking pasta. Is the rice ready? Almost.
Nice. Now it's dinner time again. Are you hungry?
Yes, very.
What would you like to eat?
I'd like some salad.
Do you want some juice?
Yes, please.
Can you pass the spoon?
Here you go.
Is the food spicy?
A little bit.
Perfect. Everyday English is really this simple.
Now let's talk about night routine, before bed.
Yes, bedtime English.
Are you feeling sleepy?
Yes, a little.
Did you brush your teeth?
Yes, I did.
Did you lock the door?
Yes, it's locked.
Did you switch off the lights?
Not yet?
Okay, please do it.
Sure.
Good night.
Good night. Sweet dreams.
See you in the morning.
See you.
Everyone, repeat it one more time before you sleep tonight. Did you brush your teeth? Yes, I did. Did you lock the door? Yes, it's locked. Good night. Sweet dreams.
You'll sound just like a native speaker at home.
And that's what we want, to make English part of your real life.
That's right. English is not only a subject, it's for every corner of your home, from the kitchen to the bedroom.
Exactly. Every little question and answer helps you speak naturally.
So let's quickly review all the areas we covered today.
Morning, waking up, breakfast, cleaning.
Living room, talking, watching TV, relaxing.
Bathroom, brushing, showering, simple talk.
Bedroom, tidying up, resting.
Kitchen and dining, cooking, eating, helping.
Laundry and balcony. Daily chores and fresh air chat.
And finally, night routine, saying good night in English.
You learned over 100 useful home sentences today.
Wow, that's amazing.
Let's clap for everyone watching.
Bravo, you're doing great.
Keep practicing these lines every day.
Yes, talk to your family in English. Even short questions make a big difference.
And if someone laughs, don't worry, you're learning.
That's the spirit. English is fun when it's part of your daily life.
Beautifully said. Before we end, let's have a mini rapid-fire quiz.
Yay, let's do it. I'll ask, you answer.
Okay, go ahead.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did.
What do you want for breakfast?
I want eggs and tea.
Where's the remote?
It's on the sofa.
Did you lock the door?
Yes, it's locked.
Perfect. You got them all right.
Your turn, Clara.
Bring it on.
Are you hungry?
No, not yet.
Where are my socks?
They're under the bed.
Can you wash the dishes?
Sure, I can.
Do you want to take a nap?
Yes, please.
Excellent.
And now, everyone watching, it's your turn. Arthur will ask, and you'll answer at home, okay?
Okay, let's go. What time did you wake up? Did you make your bed? Where's the toothpaste? Who will wash the dishes? Did you brush your teeth?
Great job. You just practiced a whole English conversation by yourself.
That's how learning works. Small steps every day.
Exactly. Practice at home, speak out loud, and smile. Because English is not just a subject, it's a daily friend.
Beautifully said.
So keep learning, keep shining.
And keep speaking English with joy.
See you soon, friends.
Take care, everyone.
Bye-bye.
See you in the next video, and remember to speak English at home every day.